it's Kevin Rapeling again. Let's talk about value. What's your value? What is your value to your company, to your industry? What value are you contributing to this economy? You know, Earl Nightingale made it very clear, and I think he's following on from Napoleon Hill there. There are three things that contribute to our ability to earn money, and that is the demand for what we do, your ability to do that, and how difficult it is to replace you. So what's your value? What's your real value? If you work on finding a way to create your input in the supply chain, doesn't matter where you are, whether you're the cleaner or the cook or whether you're the CEO, but you should be looking for some way to make 5, 10, 15 times your value. Some people paying you X dollars, and you should be 10x worth of value you're creating from your service. If you do that, you can go anywhere in that company. I guarantee you will move up, you'll skyrocket to the top. They will want you, and when everyone gets retrenched, you'll still be there. Up to you. So what's your value? Make sure you're really valuable. Make sure everybody comes to you who sees you every single day, gets a feeling of growth and value from being near you. What you put out, you get back. It's the cause and effect principle. So if you're putting out good and you're making other people's lives good, if the customer feels they're getting value, you're going to get value back too. Put it out, get it back tenfold. Simple. What's your value? Raise it now. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you at the top. I'm Kevin.